Ako si Don Sinesuri at ito ang review kung saan hindi lang natin pinapanood ang pelikula. Sinusuri rin natin kung sulit ba talaga panoorin. At ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang pelikulang Sunshine, ang sports drama ni Maris Racal, directed by Antoinette Jadaon, na tumatalakay sa pressure, pangarap at mga desisyon na kayang baguhin ang buhay mo. Part 1, quick context. Sunshine is directed by Antoinette Jadaon. Yes, the same genius behind that thing called Tadhana and Fangirl. Pero this time, ibang-iba. Kasi imbes na love story, sports drama ito tungkol sa isang rhythmic gymnast na malapit nang makamit ang pangarap niya hanggang sa isang unexpected twist. Si Maris Racal plays Sunshine, a dedicated athlete na todo ensayo para sa national team tryouts. Pero ilang araw bago ang audition, nalaman niyang buntis siya. A revelation na pwedeng ikasira ng lahat ng pinaghirapan niya. Part 2, First Impressions. Unang-una, ang ganda ng opening. May energy, may rhythm, tapos kita mo agad yung drive ni Sunshine. Pero habang tumatagal, ramdam mo rin yung pressure. Mula sa coach, sa family, at sa sarili niyang takot na baka hindi na niya maabot yung pangarap niya. Yung cinematography, crisp yung lighting and color palette, very warm pero may tension. At yung mga gymnastic scenes, ang linis ng blocking, hindi mukhang rehearse lang. Ramdam mo yung kaba at intensity ng bawat routine. Part 3, the emotional core, mild spoilers. Then comes the twist, Sunshine finds out she's pregnant. At dito nag-iba ang takbo ng pelikula. From sports drama, biglang naging introspective story about identity, choices, at kung paano mo haharapin ang mga bagay na hindi mo planado. Hindi tinrato ni Jadaone na sermon or moral lesson movie ito. Instead, pinakita niya kung gaano kahirap balansihin ang pangarap at realidad. There's a quiet moment where Sunshine just stares at herself in the mirror. Walang dialogue, pero punong-puno ng meaning. Part 4, Performance and Direction. Now let's talk about Maris Racal. Ito siguro ang isa sa pinaka-mature performances niya so far. Walang pa-cute, walang overacting. Just honest emotion. Ramdam mo yung takot, guilt, pero pati yung tapang ng isang babaeng ayaw sumuko. The supporting cast also adds depth, especially the coach and teammates who represent both support and judgment. And of course, si Antoinette Jadaon, still one of the best storytellers we have. She knows when to pull back and let silence speak. Walang pilit na dialogue, walang dramatic background music overload. Real lang. Part 5, Highlights and Weak Spots. Highlight for me, yung eksena kung saan sinusubukan ni Sunshine bumalik sa training after giving birth. Ang sakit panoorin, pero ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Raw, frustrating, hopeful. Mapapaisip ka kung ilang beses mo kailangang patunayan ang sarili mo para lang tanggapin ulit. Weak spot lang, medyo humaba yung second act. May ilang eksena na paulit-ulit ang emotional beat, pero the last act ties it up beautifully. Part 6, Verdict overall, Sunshine isn't just a sports movie. It's a reminder that sometimes life doesn't wait for your schedule, and that failure isn't always the end. It's heartfelt, brave, and beautifully grounded. Kung gusto mo ng pelikulang may aral pero hindi sermon, may drama pero hindi manipulahin ang emosyon, this one's for you. I'll give Sunshine a solid 8.5 out of 10. Anong tingin mo sa Sunshine? Sang-ayon ka ba sa ending o bitin ka rin sa journey ni Maris Racal bilang Sunshine? I-comment mo sa baba at pag-usapan natin. Ako si Don Sinesuri at ito ang review kung saan hindi lang tayo nanonood. Sinusuri natin kung may saysay ba talaga. Take care.
Ina. Gago, buntis ako.
Yeah, I heard you. Are you sure this one?
Gago ka ba yun talaga?